The remnants of ex-tropical cyclone Debbie drifted south and slammed parts of southeast Queensland and northeast New South Wales with extremely heavy rainfall. In fact, record-breaking rainfall for parts of New South Wales. This is what it was looking like on the ground in Murwillumbah. In fact, a natural disaster has been declared for 5 government areas in New South Wales, including Tweed, Lismore, Byron, Richmond Valley, Kyogle and Ballina. Now, the message here is to remember, if it is flooded, forget it. Now, tropical cyclone or ex-tropical cyclone Debbie is currently moving away from the coast. It is currently located just off the coast of the Gold Coast, currently tracking in a southeast direction. It is strengthening as it does so. Now, with that, we are seeing some very strong and gusty winds in parts of southeast Queensland and northeast New South Wales. In fact, we do have a severe weather warning in place for damaging winds for the Wide Bay and Burnett, as well as the southeast coast in Queensland, the northern rivers and the mid-north coast in New South Wales. Cape Byron Oars recorded a gust of 104 kilometres an hour in the early hours of this morning. We've also been slammed with extremely heavy rainfall. Widespread falls around southeast Queensland and northeast New South Wales of 100 millimetres. Isolated falls up to about 600 millimetres. So with that, we did see some widespread flash flooding and also major river flooding. We do have major flood warnings currently in place for the Tweed, Wilson, Richmond, Logan and Albert, Connors and Isaac, Mackenzie and Bremer rivers. Now, if you are in a flood-affected area, please press red on your remote, followed by green to find the latest on your local flood warnings. It is important that you do remember, if it is flooded, forget it. Now, ex-tropical cyclone Debbie is currently, or is going to continue to track southeast, and conditions are significantly easing along the coastal areas. However, we also have a abnormally high tide and dangerous surf warning in place for southeast Queensland and northeastern New South Wales. We are expecting dangerous surf likely over coastal parts of southeast Queensland, south of Sandy Cape. Damaging surf conditions are expected along the Byron coast with waves up to 5 metres. So we are expecting some coastal erosion with those waves. We also have dangerous surf conditions continuing, in fact, right down the New South Wales coast all the way to Sydney, and that is likely to continue into Saturday as well. Now, it is advised to avoid all coastal activities, and of course the key message with the weather conditions that we are currently seeing is to remember that if it is flooded, forget it. But if you do need any assistance at all, please don't hesitate to call the SES on 132 500.